Today, I'm taking you to a peaceful corner of my village, a small place where 2 cows live happily, surrounded by nature and traditional farming. Let's explore how simple village life connects with the land and animals. In our villages, cows are not just animals, they're part of the family. We still follow the old ways of taking care of them, feeding them fresh grass, cleaning their sheds daily, and using natural methods to keep them healthy. The cow dung is used as organic fertilizer, and cow urine is sometimes used as a natural pesticide. Nothing goes to waste. Right next to the cowshed, there's a small patch of cultivated land, a perfect example of how village life blends farming and livestock together. The waste from cows enriches the soil, and in return the crops provide food and shade. Here you can see banana plants growing beautifully. Bananas are one of the easiest crops to maintain. They love water and sunlight. Each plant gives one big bunch, and the dry leaves are later used as natural mulch or even cattle feed. Next to that, there are some cabbages. They look small now, but will soon form those tight green heads we love to eat. Cabbage needs good care, especially regular watering and protection from insects. One unique thing I love here is this fence. Instead of using plastic or iron sheets, they've made a traditional fence using old saris. It's colourful, creative, and shows how villagers reuse everything with purpose and care for the environment. And here's manioc, or cassava, one of the favourite root crops in our village. It grows well even in dry conditions and becomes a great meal when boiled or fried. Farmers love it because it doesn't need much attention. These are tomato plants. They grow fast and add that bright red colour to any garden. Fresh tomatoes from the backyard always taste better than anything from the market. And here's a moringa tree, full of healthy drumstick leaves. These leaves are packed with nutrients and are used in many traditional dishes. Almost every home in the village has one of these trees. This small place reminds me how peaceful and self-sufficient village life can be. Everything is connected: cows, crops, trees, and people. Simple living, close to nature. That's what real happiness looks like.